Still struggling with digital tools at work? Wait, what if I told you, yes, this is the course?
Yes, this is the course.
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 Emails, Excel, online collaboration, AI tools, feeling lost, or worse, falling behind. Introducing one of the most practical, in-demand digital courses in Singapore. What you learn inside this course, you'll actually use tools like digital communication platforms, online collaboration tools, AI-powered tools to work smarter, cybersecurity awareness. Yes, protect yourself too. And the best part, Skills Future funding available. Up to 90% subsidy, meaning you can upgrade yourself without breaking the bank. Maybe you've been thinking, I want to learn, but I'm not good with tech. You are not alone. That fear is real. But this course is made for beginners. Step by step, no pressure. So if you have been holding back, yes, this is the course. Don't wait until you are left behind. Secure your slot and start upgrading today. Because in 2026, digital skills are not optional anymore. Skills Future for Digital Workplace 2.0. Learn it, use it, own it. Yes, this is the course.